welcome back. It is day 23 of Race to 1000. And our goal with Race to 1000 is to help at least 1,000 people earn or create or make at least $1,000. And today we're going to do another withdrawal from Cryptotab, just a small amount of about $1. But hey, every dollar counts. Before we get started, a quick disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. I make no success or income guarantees of any kind. Please be aware that all investing or business opportunities of any kind, no matter what, whether it be housing, whether it be mutual funds, whether it be anything, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, no matter what, business, has some kind of risk, and you should never invest any more money, in my opinion, than you can afford to lose. Don't use things like housing funds or the kids' school funds or retirement funds, anything like that. Stay safe. There's a disclaimer on the page right now. Please acknowledge that. And if you're not okay with the two disclaimers, then don't watch the videos. If you're fine with them and you understand the consequences of moving forward, then let's go. So we're going to do another withdrawal from Cryptotab. Cryptotab was one of the programs I showed you first, and I've had, I think, 2 withdrawals from it so far. It's an amazing little tool. It just sits there in the background, working away, creating Bitcoin, and you can share it with other people. And I've also already created a video about this. So if this is the first time you're seeing it and you don't know what Cryptotab is, scroll down the page, click on the link underneath this video, and you will be able to sign up 100% free to Race to 1000. And there's a series of videos which will take you on a step-by-step basis, and it will explain exactly what all of these programs are. They're 100% free to use in Module 1. Everything I show you is free. And it just will help you create small amounts of Bitcoin each day, which over time will add up to create our seed money for programs we're going to use in the future. And my goal is $50. I'm about $40 already. And this is a live program. These are all programs that I'm actually using. So let's withdraw. If you come to Cryptotab, over on the right hand side, you see the 3 little lines. Click on those and you get your account balances and everything. Click on withdraw Bitcoin or withdraw BTC, and it's going to ask for details of where to send it. So we need to go back to your blockchain.com wallet. Make sure that you are in the Bitcoin area and not Ether, Bitcoin Cash, or Stellar. You're in Bitcoin. You're going to select request, and a number will pop up which starts with 1BB HKC. It finishes with, copy that, and we're going to go back to Cryptotab, paste in the Bitcoin code, and there you can see it's 1BB HKC. And we're going to use the maximum amount of Bitcoin we possibly can. It has to be over 0.00001, which we clearly are. Click I'm not a robot. Let it do its thing. And then click on withdraw. And it says your payment request is successfully created. You will get your funds soon. And in my past experience, I've had this within 24 hours, normally within 12 hours. So that's the video for today. When I get the withdrawal into my blockchain account, I will update you and let you know. But exciting. It's always exciting to make more money and more Bitcoin. With that, have an awesome day. Oh, while I remember, give me a like, give me a thumbs up, and hit the subscribe button. And feel free to share this with your friends. The more people we share this with, the more people can make money, and we can all make money together. And it's always great that you can have people working with you in your team. You're going to need it in the future. If you think you're going to make a lot of money by yourself, you're sadly mistaken. I have been an entrepreneur since the age of 12. I started working when I was 12. And the times that I work alone, I make the least amount of money. And when I work with other people, put little teams around me, and we all work together, that's when you make the most money. So if you think that you want to do this by yourself, you can do. You absolutely don't need to get anyone else working with you. but it's going to be a slower process. If you'd like to accelerate this, then start sharing your affiliate links with other people and get them in your team and start building a small team to help you as you help them. We all help each other, and you'll start creating even more and more money. So I'm waiting for the withdrawal to process. I will update you as we go along. Until then, have an absolutely awesome day.